I'm Sandy Lonzak, and 5 years ago in April, I received a new kidney from Albany Med. With my first pregnancy, which was 48 years ago, I had a kidney infection, but they discovered that there was a filtering problem with my kidneys. So over the years, I led a fairly normal life until my kidneys eventually deteriorated to the point where I needed to go on dialysis. By the end of 2011, beginning of 2012, it was time to go on dialysis. So I was on dialysis for a little over a year and a half. I had family members and friends who began to test for a kidney donation. And in 2014, April of 2014, this friend of mine from church stepped up to the plate and said, "I'm going to give you a kidney." She had to have surgery to lose, she actually lost 177 pounds to be eligible. It was a great match. Worked with Albany Med as well, and she was my donor. The first time we went to visit Dr. Conti, he laid out exactly what the procedure was and the testing necessary, and he was very forthright with us. He told us the expectations. There was a lot of testing that was involved, but every step of the way, whether it was Dr. Conti, the nursing staff, the PA, the social worker, or the people in the lab to draw all the blood, were so helpful, so thorough, very, very knowledgeable. That's what impressed me the most, and yet there was a kindness about everyone as well, realizing that we were probably all very nervous. So on April 14th of 2014, that's the day I got my transplant. Dr. Conti came in and reassured me, and the staff took away all my fears. I really feel that way. So it was easy to approach it. This is a chance for a new life. I woke up from surgery and was in the recovery room for a while, and then up to my room. My donor was in the room next to me, and it really hit me. Oh my goodness. She's in the other room recovering, and I'm right here, and I have her kidney. So it just was amazing. The staff at 3 East was absolutely incredible. Everyone involved was just amazingly compassionate and knowledgeable. You don't always get both combinations. I was in Albany Med for 5 days. I went home the same day my donor did. It's amazing to me how much more active I am since the kidney transplant. I traveled to see my kids. My best friend and I went to Alaska. I can work in my garden. I bike. I just feel like I've gotten my life back. Albany Med has been so helpful in my journey to health. I reflect on how blessed I am, how God blessed me with a new kidney, with the perfect hospital, the perfect doctors, and everything came together. And I have this new life that I'm taking very good care of.